Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Passport versus the Honda Ridgeline. We will explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. The Passport is a rugged SUV, perfect for adventurers, while the Ridgeline offers the utility of a truck with SUV comfort. Both are known for their reliability and strong performance, making them excellent choices in their respective categories. Under the hood, both the Passport and Ridgeline share the same robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This ensures strong acceleration and confident passing power. While all-wheel drive is standard on the Passport, it's an option for the Ridgeline, which comes standard with front-wheel drive. For those needing to tow, the Ridgeline excels with a maximum capacity of 5,000 pounds, surpassing the Passport's 3,500 pounds. Inside, both vehicles offer comfortable and well-appointed cabins. The Passport, being an SUV, provides generous passenger space and a large cargo area behind the second row, expanding significantly with seats folded. The Ridgeline, as a truck, offers a versatile bed with an innovative in-bed trunk for secure storage, plus a dual-action tailgate. Both models feature user-friendly infotainment systems and plenty of storage solutions for daily use. When it comes to driving, the Passport delivers a confident and agile experience, feeling more like a traditional SUV with responsive steering. The Ridgeline, however, stands out among trucks for its exceptionally smooth and refined ride, thanks to its unibody construction, making it feel more like an SUV. Both offer excellent safety features and strong resale value. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They truly are built to last, just like these Hondas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.